welcome back to my channel. Next week on Tuesday, so in like a couple of days, I'm going to be headed to Athens, Greece to meet up with Christian. I'm going to be there for about like 2 to 3 months, which is like a pretty big chunk of time. Greece just recently opened to tourism again, and the US is on the list of countries that are accepted in. Currently, their COVID requirements include getting vaccinated or having a negative COVID test within 48 hours of arrival. I don't have a lot of time, but I do have a lot of stuff to pack, so I'm gonna take you guys along with me. Alright, let's get to washing these shoes. It is like pretty cold in Washington right now, so I'm pretty excited to escape to somewhere warm. As you guys can see, I'm wearing shorts, so I'm definitely not dressed for the weather here. This is not something that I always do, but my shoes have been pretty dirty. You guys can't really see it, but it's kind of muddy on these sides, so I'm just gonna wash them a little bit. And then I'm also bringing these flat Vans. I'm just gonna, you know, clean them up a little bit. On camera, they don't look as bad. Mom, is it this one? So cold. So to travel to Greece, I've already touched base on the fact that you either need to be vaccinated or you have a negative COVID test to enter. So because I'm vaccinated, I'm good on that front. However, there are some other things that I need to do to be able to get from Seattle to Greece. So one is you need to fill out a PLF form, which takes like 5 minutes. It's basically an online document up until 24 hours before your arrival to Greece. And then the other thing that I need to do that I just found out today, because I have a connection flight to Frankfurt, I need a COVID test to enter Germany right now, because as of the 8th of May, they don't really approve vaccination cards at the moment, so you still need a COVID test in that 48-hour time frame from when you get a test to when you land in Germany. I have to book a COVID test on Monday, or else I will not be able to board the plane to Germany. Alright guys, just had dinner and now it is finally time to pack. And here I have my medium suitcase. It's just a old Samsonite one. In terms of carry-on items, this is the bag that I am going to be bringing. I wanted something with a lot of pockets, and it also has a really nice laptop sleeve and, you know, a little clasp that keeps everything together. After about 2 years of on and off again travel, I've realized that in order to be efficient at packing, you kind of need to have the right stuff. So I caved and I got this away suitcase. This is my first suitcase that I've like ever purchased for myself, and I'm really excited. I am super done borrowing my mom's old suitcases that like break on me, and I put this on my vision board, and I figured, you know, I think it's better time than ever to splurge on this suitcase. All right, let's open it, shall we? Really cute Away branding, and it comes in a bag. In the past, I would always use my old backpacks from school, and things would always like fall out of the backpack, so I just don't want to deal with that life anymore. But here it is, guys, look. It's so pretty. This is the bigger carry-on with the battery option. So as you guys can see, there's like a built-in battery here that you guys can use to charge your phone. And then it also comes with a built-in lock that I have yet to find out how to use. So far this looks like everything that I would want in a suitcase, really. Dirty outside coating. It has some pockets. All right, time to start laying everything out. I have some cozy clothes on, some water to stay hydrated because packing can be exhausting. And then let's get this shit done.
Staying safe at home. These days you've been left alone.
So family and friends bombarded the room, so I figured I'd just, you know, vlog with them in it. This is my brother, his girlfriend Kaya. They're actually coming to Greece with us, so you guys will probably see them in a later vlog.
And now's the chance for you to try.
You wanna help me pack? Aww.
In your life, you're stuck inside.
Rita, you want me to pack you? left the room. So now I'm back by myself without distractions, but I just finished one packing cube. If you guys want to pack more efficiently, you definitely need these packing cubes. I got these ones on REI. The brand is called Eagle Creek, but you guys can obviously use whatever packing cubes that you guys want.
Time to stop this fight. We're
This is showing my sister. She packs before she leaves
Same-
for 2 months.
Same with Bubby, he's just chilling here. Ew, Bruno! You just dropped saliva on there.
And maybe your guitar will take you to some local bar. You're with the people.
Good morning, everyone. This is what we were working with today. I'm so tired. But yeah, yesterday I basically got like close to 0 packing done, and it is now Monday, the last day before I leave tomorrow. I should have expected this coming, but I feel good knowing that most of my clothes are packed. But right now I'm actually gonna run out because I'm scheduled for a antigen test. I did confirm it with the airline, and antigen tests are accepted, as far as I know, for entering Germany. Let's head out the door. We got a lot of stuff to do today. Hi! Great, how are you doing? Yeah, I just had a antigen test scheduled. So that was the COVID test. Not bad. I honestly lost count at how many COVID tests I've taken. Baby! Aww. Just got out of my chiropractor appointment. Back, spine feels good. I feel like this is such a random and boring content. Just got out of that and I'm gonna head home again. I didn't really show you guys much of what's inside because, you know, she's just like cracking my back. But yeah, love my doctor. Okay, Bruno just went outside. So now I'm wiping his paws. Boy, kick. Stay. Bruno, other paw. Do you want dental stick? Sit, Debbie. I just got home from running errands. I basically just got my contacts from Costco because it sucks to be blind, but I'm also really grateful for modern technology because without these, my life would be a literal blur. And I also just tried on some of these Jolin times Aaron Krause suits that I got in the mail. I'm super excited to wear them. They're really cute. And now I'm just gonna finish my packing. And my laundry bags. Oh, he's gonna lay down. I can't. Good morning, everyone. Today is the day. I kind of failed at vlogging yesterday because I ended up frantically packing right after I was doing my toiletries, and it ended up taking me all day to pack. I wanted to hang out with my brother and Tammy, so we went out to get some last time boba before I left because I ain't gonna have it there. Tammy ended up sleeping over. Everything is packed. I printed out everything that I need. This is my personal items bag. I got my check-in bag to be the way that it needs to be. It was too full at first, but I ended up taking out a lot of clothes that I did not need to bring, and now I need to head out or else I'm gonna be late Tammy's gonna go home and my brother and my mom are gonna come with me to the airport.
At my car.
Oh, you're gonna be that butt slap though.
He's so annoyed.
Really? Upon arriving at the airport in Seattle, it immediately felt different. The last time that I was here in November to self-isolate in Canada before heading to Croatia, the atmosphere was quiet and cold. However, as people were beginning to set to the skies again, it felt as if I had gone back in time to 2019. Made it on the plane, finally. I was able to check my suitcase all the way to Greece, which was really amazing. Everything went super smoothly until I realized that I was walking in the wrong direction to the wrong gate, so I had to run a little bit. Other than that, I'm just really happy that I made it on the plane. I miss my family, but it's a good type of missing them, you know, because I know that I'm gonna see them again. Now it is time to fly soon. I had wanted to fly directly with one layover to Greece to try and reduce the damage that I was already doing by flying in the first place, but since my brother was going to be joining me at the end of the summer, I had a second layover in the city of Los Angeles. Just landed early, which is nice, and now I'm rushing to my gate, even though I have time. The LAX airport is so big, so here we are. I'm on the plane to head to Frankfurt right now, and that was a trip, but I finally got my boarding passes at the gate, and now I am eating this sandwich that I got at the LAX airport. Got the window seat, very lucky, no one is sitting next to me right now. Arriving at the Frankfurt airport in Germany was similar to the site of the Seattle airport. I swear that when I was last here to reunite with Christian, there was no one else around. And now, well, you can see how it is. While still keeping my carbon footprint in mind, in these instances, it still amazes me how those who are privileged enough, myself included, are able to get from one side of the globe to the other within 24 hours. Like, how does that even happen? Just grabbed my luggage. Everything went pretty smoothly. I just had to look for my Greek PLF form on my email, showed them my vaccination card and my passport, and I was good to go. I just got my baggage and now I'm gonna go head out and meet Christian. Hey! I wasn't sure if it was you with the mask on. Hello! What's up? You just go to the bathroom? Hey guys, it's been a couple hours since I got to Christian's apartment. We took the bus from the airport and then we took an Uber up to his apartment and we actually just got some food. I haven't eaten all day, so it felt so good to get some delicious food in at the local restaurant, and now we're gonna go to sleep because I've basically been traveling for like 20 hours and I barely got any sleep. So yeah, thank you guys so much for watching. Make sure you guys click the like and subscribe button if you haven't already for more content. Follow me on Instagram at Alyssa Tran if you guys want to see photos and things. And I'll catch you in the next Greece vlog, which I'm really excited about. Super excited to explore Athens. Anyways, I'm gonna stop rambling now and I'll catch you guys in the next one. Bye!